Hi everyone, it's Judy. Welcome back to Rose Lane. I have a little short bonus video here. I was contacted by Your Creative Vintage Studio and asked if I would do an unboxing of some of her products. So I said yes, and I have slit the tape on the box, but I have not opened the box. So let's see, well, here we go. Let's see what we find in the box. Here's her label here. She's got a card. And she looks like she likes butterflies. So it's Your Creative Studio. I'm just going to take this little package out and we'll move the box to the side. Let's put that over there. And you know what? I don't want to take it. I don't want to open the tissue. So I think what I'm going to do is just slide the stuff out. Okay. So let's see. Let's move some stuff back and we'll see what we'll have. We'll start from the top. And this is a cling stamp for Your Creative Studio. Open this. Oh, isn't that pretty? Nice little sticky. Nice butterfly there. Looks like butterflies. I think she likes butterflies. Okay, and this is Dream Butterfly. These look like, I think these are washi stickies. I'm sorry, washi stickers. Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm gonna actually have to like tear the bag to get in, but yes, I think that's what they are. I think the back will come off. They're sort of they're acetate or something like that. All right, so we'll just put that back in here and move that over here. And this is another butterfly, or possibly two, cling stamps. Let's see what we have there. There's two of those. I don't know how well you can see them because they're kind of black and then they get shiny. But I'm going to lower this camera a little bit. I think maybe that will be helpful. Okay, let's try that. Maybe that'll be a little bit better. Okay, and then this looks like it's open. Okay, these are neat little, this says, "Fly to you, you are so special to me." That's sweet. So these are, oh, it's like a little note card sort of. That's very clever. I like that. Very clever. Okay, and then I'm trying to see what this says. This is in Chinese or Japanese or something, so I can't quite, I'm not going to be able to open this so easily. I have fat fingers. Let me get my tweezers over here, guys. Okay, my dog is being restless upstairs. I apologize. I'm really having trouble with this one. I can't get it open. The flap is so big for the box. I'm afraid I've destroyed this box. Okay, that's too bad too because there's a lot of tiny little things in here. These are stickers. I'm just trying to see if they're clear or white. They're white. So they're stickers in here, a bunch of butterfly stickers. I think they're all the same though, because it's got the picture on the outside. Yep, they look like, oh no, they're not all the same. Oh my, look at that. Okay. My dog gets very restless at night. He's all over, he sleeps like a log all day long. Aren't these beautiful? He sleeps like a log all day long, and then all night long, he's up every 2 minutes, and he doesn't want to sleep here. I'm going to go here. And then, yeah, so he's all over the place. So I do apologize for the noises. It is late here. So let's see, this is vintage labels. I'm trying to see if there's, yes, there is. Just put that off to the side. Oh, isn't that nice? A bunch of different, I think these are stickers too. I think they are. They feel like they are. Yes, they are. So these are stickers. So that's nice. All kinds of pretty labels, all kinds of shapes. This is interesting. This diamond shaped one. Very nice. Okay. What else? A stick note. This is like a relief butterfly. Let's see what we have here. Open this up. I think it's actually stuck to the card. Yeah, it is kind of stuck to the card, but it's a... Oh no, it's not. It's sticky note butterflies. Isn't that interesting? It's like a pad. Very interesting. All right, put that to the side. Let's go to this one. Yes, this is very butterfly themed. This looks interesting. Oh, I've actually seen these before. This says Loft Book Collection Series Academic Chart, but it is, let me just slide this off of here. It's like little vintage papers. It is actually in Russian. This is Cyrillic. Yeah, very neat. I'd read it to you, but I don't read Russian. Sorry. But that's very interesting. I like that too. I like the colors on that. Okay, this is a little sheet of clear washi stickers. Butterflies. Ooh, stamps. Okay. She's got these faux stamps. There's a lot of them in here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. And then paper ephemera. So there's several of each. Got these circle cards. Very nice. They're very, very stiff. A good thick quality. They're beautiful. Oh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that a pretty one? That's nice. You usually get butterflies, you know, like this. So it's nice to see them this way or this way. I like that. Very pretty. Okay. Oh, that one's nice too. Oh, but we're coming to my favorite color, green. It's sort of yellowy green, but it is green. And then these like labels. Very nice. There's a ton of those. It doesn't say how many are in the package, but there's a lot in there. Okay, what do we have here? This is more paper ephemera. Ooh, the last thing looks like homemade paper. So these are cards, and it looks like most of them match these guys in here. You know, they look like they came from the same thing. So we have that, and then here, this looks like I'm trying to figure out where the tabby is, but I don't see one on this one. So I'm trying to find, there was a, here we go. There is one, I think, right here. Right here. It's always a guessing game. So let's get in here. And this is very pretty. Oh, I I still don't have one sheet. My goodness. Okay, I'm trying to get it apart. Look at that. Oh, can you see that? You can see my hand through it. Can you see my hand through it? That, it's like nothing. Can you see how it's just sort of floating when I toss it up? Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, oh, I'm stuck to the paper. Don't stick to the bag. So, I'm not sure how many sheets are here, but for how thin they are, I'm going to say there's 1, 2, I think this is 3 and 4 because it feels pretty thick. 5, 6, perhaps 6 sheets. That is just lovely. So I'm gonna put the packaging over here. Just gonna put some of this stuff out so you can see it again. Take it out of these packages so you don't get the glare on it. Something was on here. I'm not sure what. Oh, it was that. Okay, and then the stamps. Pull out the stamps here so you can see those. Oh, look at that. These are really, really pretty. And then there are some stickers. And there are these papers. And some more stickers. And the vintage labels. Oh my, this is going to keep me busy for a while. Very, very busy. Very, very busy. And then the stamps. Oh, that's beautiful. So in any case, guys, again, this is your vintage. Let me get it right. I want to get it right. It's your creative studio. Your creative studio. And she is on Etsy, I do believe. Her card did not say. I'm trying to find it now. Yes. Your creative studio, if you can see that. Okay. She likes butterflies. In any case, this is her stuff. I would drop by and have a look and see. I'm going to be obviously working on a butterfly journal at some point or another, so I can incorporate some of this, if not all of this, stuff into it one way or the other. And it's going to be a lot of fun. In any case, that's it for tonight, guys. Thank you so much for watching this bonus video, and stop by your creative studio and have a look at her wonderful shop. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.